Hello, this is Alan McNabb with Image Building Media, and today I'm answering a question that we frequently receive, and that is, how do I start producing videos for my business, to market my business? So I want to talk about that. And so let me show you a few little tricks of the trade, and these things I've just developed, just learned through experience. And that's one of the biggest things I can mention right away. And that is to just go in and start making videos, get some experience, and just know you're probably not going to like the first videos that you do. You're going to start at the bottom of the learning curve. But the thing is, you need to want to get started. So let me show you a few things that I use, and I've just brought a few little tools for me. First of all, I just use something to hold the video. Just a very nice little instrument to hold the camera here. This can be adjusted. It's got a knob to tighten it. On the very top, we can put lights, and we can put a microphone, and that's usually pretty important also. I'm using a desktop with a 4K camera right now, and just on a small just being held there with a GorillaPod. And so we use a Rode, R-O-D-E microphone, and this will plug right into our cell phone. And simply use a phone, got a Galaxy phone, whatever phone you use. Just make sure it does HD video, that'll be good enough. And also, if you do videos indoors, you might want a light. We've got a couple of lights. We've got rechargeable batteries. That way you're just not burning through the batteries all the time. But really, if you're just doing outside, or if you're doing in a good location where there's lighting, you're probably not even going to use a light. So I wouldn't even buy a light to get started with. There are ring lights. Your camera fits right in the middle of your ring light, and that's very helpful also. Let me share my screen here with you. And for example, just looked up very quickly on recording videos. You can see there's a lot of devices there. Just get a tripod. I keep a tripod in my car. It's not unusual. I'll be at a client's, and we'll make a video right there. Here's one I made with a client for the pandemic, and just made it there with my camera, uploaded to YouTube, embedded on the website, no big deal. All right, so to go live. Now, you can go live, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and that's great because, you go live, it's there, there's no post-processing or anything. If you want to add some text or something, SEO, that's great. Also, you can just create the video on your camera. If you've got, you might have software on your camera, you can just trim it front and back, maybe put a filter on it if you want, and just upload it to YouTube, Facebook, whatever from there. You can upload it to Google Drive is what I use. Then I bring it on into my computer. Then I can use some software with it. Let me share my screen here from my phone, and I'll just show you a couple things really quickly. All right, so from my phone, it's very easy to go live. For example, with Facebook, you just open it up. You're going to create a post, and you just click Go Live. It's that simple. If you are on Instagram, you're just going to go live from Instagram right on the bottom. If you are on Twitter, you're just going to create your tweet. You're going to click your image, and you're going to go live from right there. If you want to do it on YouTube, just go to your YouTube app, and then at the top, just click on the camera, and you can select whether you're going to record the video or go live. It'll be right there. So it's really super easy to do. And let me go on and unshare right there. Really super easy to do, and just get started. Just get started doing it. Now, if you want to record the video, bring it into your PC, and you want to, edit it from there, that's super easy to do also. Let me share my screen one more time with you. So I've got a couple of different software. If it's something really easy, I just use Adobe Premiere Essentials. Super easy to use. And it's got a lot of functionality. There's a lot of different things you can do with it, but it is really simple. So you don't get bogged down with just a lot of difficult details on a pro level. A lot of people use iMovie, and that's super simple to use. Very easy. And I see some business owners come out with some great videos just using that. Finally, don't forget that YouTube has an editor built in. So here's a video that I uploaded not too long ago. I've not done anything with it yet. It's just sitting there. And so you go into where you edit the video and click editor. And YouTube has a very good online editor, especially if you're just going to trim your videos, do a few little things to them. Even if you've got to cut them in a few places and, merge frames together, that type of thing, no big deal. It does it very easily. So the point is just go on and get started. Remember, there's two basic types of videos. You want to do some live videos. Those are great. Those are easy. You can do client testimonials. You can do it when you're visiting a client. You can do it at your office. You can do it at lunchtime. Easy to do live videos. And the algorithm, especially with the social channels, they're really pushing live videos. So what you'll notice, if you do a live video, more people are probably going to see it. So they can watch it live, and then it's archived there, and they can go and watch it for years and years. And you can promote it, you can post it all over different places, things like that. So live video, super easy. The social channels are really pushing them. They'll push them to a lot more people. Also, you can record video. You can upload it to the channels and then do what you want to do there. And also, third-party posting platforms such as the one that we provide to our customers. You can also post video with that. So the video can be posted numerous times. So anyway, very simple way to get started, just some tools of the trade, and I just want to encourage you to get started with it. So this is Alan McNabb, Image Building Media, and look forward to seeing you soon and look forward to seeing some of your videos. Thanks for being with me today.